Hey there. So you probably know if you're a dragon or a tiger or a rabbit, right? Well, today we're going to peel back the surface of the Chinese zodiac because what's hiding underneath is this incredible cosmic system. You're in for a treat. Let's dive in.
So, yeah, you know your animal, but what if I told you that animal is just a symbol? Kind of like a user-friendly icon for something much, much older and way more profound. It's really just the tip of a massive iceberg, and we're about to see what's hiding beneath the surface.
And this is what's really going on. It's called the 12 earthly branches. And look, this isn't just about personality traits or who you're going to get along with. It's this ancient system that actually maps 12 distinct types of energy, or qi, as they show up here on Earth. So think of it less like fortune-telling and more like a weather map for the fundamental rhythms of the natural world.
And this system isn't just random, you know? It's actually grounded in real, observable astronomy. It's a blend of our planet's daily spin and its yearly trip around the sun, the moon's powerful influence, and this is the big one, Jupiter's journey through the cosmos, which takes about 12 years. There's a reason the ancients called Jupiter a year star. This is basically a form of natural science.
Okay, so the best way to wrap your head around this whole thing is to picture a cosmic clock. Imagine a clock face, but with 12 numbers instead of the usual, 12. Each number represents a specific phase in a cycle of energy. The animals? They're just the mascots for each hour, making these big, abstract energy structures way easier to remember and talk about.
All right, so let's take a quick trip around this clock. By looking at how the energy flows through the seasons, you can really start to feel how this whole system works. We're going to start right at the beginning, at the moment of creation, spring.
Spring is all about the energy of breakthrough. You know that feeling, right? It's the moment of birth, of brand new beginnings, when all that life force just surges upwards after the deep quiet of winter. But even within spring itself, there are different flavors of this energy.
Now, this is where it gets really interesting, because you can see the whole yin-yang dynamic in action. The tiger kicks off the spring. This is yang wood energy. I want you to picture a powerful seedling just blasting its way through frozen ground. It's the charge, right? The raw power of the breaking dawn. Then the rabbit follows. This is yin wood energy. The breakthrough has already happened, and now the energy is about this gentle, super-fast unfolding, like leaves spreading out to catch the sunlight. It's the unfolding, so you've got this powerful charge versus a gentle expansion.
All right, let's spin the clock forward to the next season, summer. This is the absolute peak of the cycle. We're talking maximum light, maximum heat, and just this huge outward expression of energy. Everything is at its most vibrant and visible.
And look, here we go again. We see that same yin-yang dynamic. The snake represents the start of summer. This is yin fire. It's a focused, concentrated heat. Think of the internal brilliance of a master strategist's mind or a carefully tended flame. Then comes the horse, right at the peak of summer. This is pure yang fire. It's radiant, it's expansive, it's expressive. It's the energy of performance, of shining as brightly as you can for everyone to see. Focused heat versus radiant light. See that pattern?
And this is just brilliant. It shows how incredibly deep the symbolism goes. Get this amazing little detail about the rat, which represents the dead of winter, the winter solstice. Ancient observers noticed its front feet have 4 toes, an even yin number, while its back feet have 5 toes, an odd yang number. So it was seen as this incredible animal that literally embodies both yin and yang, the perfect symbol for that transition point from one cycle into the next.
Okay, so we've looked at a few snapshots, a few hours on the clock. Now, let's pull the camera back and look at the entire energy map. You're about to see how all 12 of these pieces fit together into one elegant, totally coherent system.
This table just lays it all out so perfectly. You can see the logic, right? Spring corresponds to the wood element, that energy of growth. Summer is fire, the energy of expression. Autumn is metal, the energy of harvesting, of contracting. And winter is water, the energy of storage and quiet potential. Each season gets 2 animals to represent its yin and its yang phase. It's so elegant.
But wait a second. You might be asking, where's the earth element? Aha, this is the really clever part. The 4 earth animals, that's the dragon, sheep, dog, and ox, they don't represent the peak of a season. No, instead, they act as these crucial anchors, marking the transition between each season. They are the stabilizing forces that allow the energy to shift smoothly from wood to fire, from fire to metal, and on and on.
Now here's where it gets really personal. This cosmic clock isn't just ticking away through the years, it is ticking through every single one of your days. Just look at this chart. Each 2-hour block of the day corresponds to one of these earthly branches and its very specific energy. Ever wonder why you sometimes get this sudden burst of focus super early in the morning? Well, that could be the influence of the tiger's explosive wood energy, which is in charge from 3 to 5 a.m. And what about that famous midday slump after lunch? Maybe it's because you're out of sync with the peak yang fire energy of the horse, which is from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and is all about performance. This system isn't just abstract. It connects the biggest cosmic cycles to our most immediate daily experience of time. It's a map to our own energy.
So, okay, this is a fascinating ancient system for sure. But what's the real takeaway? Why does understanding this cosmic clock actually matter for us today?
So what does this all mean for you? Well, first, your zodiac animal is so much more than just a simple label. It's a symbol for a specific quality of energy, of qi, in its constant flow. And second, this whole system is really a sophisticated map of time and nature's rhythms, linking the cycles of the year, the month, and even the day into one single, beautiful framework. It's an amazing tool for understanding the patterns of the natural world and really your own place within them.
So, the next time you think about your zodiac animal, don't just think of a personality type. Think of the cosmic clock. It's always ticking, marking the flow of energy through the seasons and through your day. And really, the only question is, how are you aligned with its rhythm?